If you are a Navy Federal credit card holder, then I'm 100% sure you got this email stating that there are some changes and they are coming fast. And if you're just like me, then you immediately thought the worst before you even read one sentence after that. You thought, oh my gosh, my account's about to get shut down, what's about to happen, etc., etc. But that's why I come in to explain everything for you. Because in today's lesson, I'm going to be giving you the breakdown of the new update that will be happening fairly soon for all Navy Federal credit card holders. So go ahead, go get your pen and paper. I promise you this will be a good video. And make sure you don't miss out on any steps, so make sure you stay to the end, all right? And without further ado, let's dive in. And before we get started, ladies and gents, I just want to ask if you don't mind hitting that like button for me, as it helps my channel out a ton. I really appreciate all your support. I'm trying to help every single Navy Federal member that comes across this video so they can be up to date and up to speed. Now, enough of me rambling. Again, let's get into the actual update. Now, again, if you have a credit card, then you definitely received this update via email. And if you didn't, go check. It's probably in your spam or something like that. Even if you don't have one yet and you're going to get one in the future, this will still be very useful to you due to you being ahead of the curve. So keep watching. Now, if you look at your email, it states that all of these changes will be taking effect October 1st, 2024. They will basically change how they calculate your interest on a daily balance and on a daily preference. And no, you don't have to call them right now and close your account because you think you're about to get scammed or they're about to raise interest rates and put $500 on your account. No, just chill, relax, listen to what I'm saying. Basically, they're going to calculate and revise your rates daily, analyzing your balances, and of course, that means all new transactions that you acquire. For example, that means that everything's going to tack on for regular purchases, balance transfers, cash checks, and promotional balances. They will calculate all the daily interest on all of those each and every day. So I know you're wondering, what does this mean? So every day they will be doing this until your billing cycle ends. Now, you might pay cents to a dollar more in interest per $1,000, but I promise you, you're not gonna notice a change. So you're not gonna spend a lot of money on interest every single month. I know it sounds scary of how I broke it down, how you read it, but that's not the case at all. Now, if you have a significant balance on your personal credit card, then this might be a higher interest change rate for you. I'm gonna let you know right now as far as the disclaimer. So that means that you will owe probably a little more moving forward. But if you've been rocking with my channel for a long time or you just started, you see that I always tell you guys, never leave a balance on your personal credit card. Don't do it. So when these banks want to change their rules and pull the rug from up under you, you will be ahead of the curve. So you will not have no money on your daily interest charges or anything like that. It doesn't matter what they throw at you because you stay in compliance. So again, pay all your balances off on your due dates. Don't pay the minimum balances and give the banks extra money. It's not worth it. It's a scam. Now, Navy Federal is giving you the chance and the option to decline these new charges. I'm telling you right now. But I will let you know that they will gladly shut your credit card down with no problem. Is that what you want? But if you agree to these terms, they will convert it, and I promise you there's nothing that you have to do on your part. You can still go about your merry way. And again, this goes out for my people that have maxed out credit cards and they're carrying balances and things of that nature. You have to pay this consumer debt off. Start utilizing your credit cards like a debit card. I'm gonna forever say this on this channel to keep beating the dead horse. I'm sorry. Carrying a balance will forever be a detriment and a hindrance to you, and if you don't take control of this now, it's gonna become even more worse where you can't take control of it. And I already know what you're thinking. Yo, how to? It's all right. Yo, it's just a couple of dollars or a couple of cents. I'm not tripping. You see that right there, that's what I have a problem with. Stop thinking that this is okay, because it's not. This is a negative mindset. You have to take control of all the negatives and make sure that it becomes a positive. Stop giving the banks extra money. If that's the case, if you're not tripping about the cents, then give me the money. I'm waiting, give me the money. So if you have a utilization issue where your utilization is extremely high because you're carrying balances, then you probably have 9 times out of 10 negatives on your credit report. And if you actually want to take full control of this issue and become better with said credit and finances, then you might as well join the How to Credit Restoration Program, where I'm helping all of my clients delete all of their negatives on their credit report without lifting a finger. The only thing that I want you to do is focus on your utilization. I focus on the big draggings, while the late payments, the charge-offs, all that nature, you work on your utilization. That's all I need you to work on. And then once everything is taken care of, i.e. your negatives, your utilization is down, probably down below 20%, things of that nature, then you will not have to worry about these type of emails stating that their changes are coming. And you will never have to worry about credit being an issue for you ever again, I guarantee it. But with all that being said, I still worry about the people that are carrying balances. You have to get those issues taken care of, please. But overall, this new update is nothing to bat an eye about. I promise you, as long as you're keeping all your balances to zero when the due date comes, or just making sure that it's under 10% or anything like that, you have nothing to worry about. You're not even gonna see the change. You're probably gonna forget about it after you watch this video, all right? But for the people that owe $20, $30, $40, $50, $60,000 in bad debt on these Navy Federal personal credit cards, then you're gonna have another issue on your hands where you're gonna probably pay a little bit more in interest. That's why I state that you have to take control of your utilization and make sure that your negatives are taken care of as well. Only thing I want you to have is a 700 credit score and never have to worry about credit again. But I'm curious to know what you guys think. Are you excited for the new change? Which I'm pretty sure nobody's excited for that. Do you agree with this? Do you not agree with this? Let me know in the comment section. I'll make sure I get back to you. I want to thank you guys for stopping by. Now, go find that email because I know it's somewhere in your spam. You probably haven't even read your emails in 3 days. Go read it so you know I'm not selling you no fluff, all right? Until next time, ladies and gents.